Samsung smart TVs have an issue where the volume stops working. It's caused by automatic updates that clog up all your memory with apps that have been downloaded. Here's how you fix it. First thing you want to do is go into the apps menu. And then you need to go up to the top to the settings in the apps, which is right on the top right. And then these are all the apps that are in here, and there's a ton of apps. I didn't download any of these apps. They're all just somehow on my TV. I don't know if it's automatic updates or if they were there when it came to start. Everything that I have that can be deleted, I'm going to delete it unless it's something that I use. I did this on my other TV and it's been a couple weeks and it works perfectly. So this will fix the volume issue. I'm going to leave Disney Plus because we have Disney Plus. I'm going to skip that McAfee because I'm not sure what it is and I don't want to mess with it. I find it a little bit frustrating that I have not installed any of these apps and they're all just on the TV. I'm going to leave YouTube because I watch it. You cannot delete Netflix. I don't know why. You cannot delete Prime Video. You can't delete Hulu. You can't delete Vudu. So all these over here, it will not let you delete. Spotify I can delete, okay. Alright, so everything has been deleted and you can see up in the top right how it has freed up a lot of memory. So now I will exit out of here. Okay, so now that I have exited out, the volume works. I can't show you because when I made the video originally, there was a copyright claim against it because when I exited out, there was a TV show running in the background. So I drew these little characters for you, but take my word for it, the volume now goes up and down perfectly. If you have this problem, it is just the memory is used up. Go into the apps, delete everything you're not using. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.